Hi friends, this is Anirban. Welcome to my Geeky Anirban channel and happy Vishwakarma Puja to every one of you. And today I will do the unboxing of Canon 750D, my first DSLR camera. So let's see. So this is my first Canon 750D I bought, and the price quoted here around 55,000, and I purchased this from Canon showroom only 51,900. So here is the Canon branding. Here is 750D here, the model number, and here it is written the 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, and it has a 19 point autofocus, vari-angle LCD. You can it has a hybrid CMOS AF3, EOS Movie Full HD, Canon Connect Station, and Wi-Fi or NFC. So without any further delay, let's open the box. So this is my Canon 750D here. The first thing is that the battery. It has a 1040 mAh battery, and it's a very powerful battery. This has a 16 GB memory card. The USB cable which you can transfer photos or videos through the computer or laptop also. And this one has a charger cable. This has a white strap which you can handle with a Canon 750D model, and this one is a charger, the Canon branding written over here, and you can connect the port through here also. This one is a lens, which is the main thing of the camera. Without that you cannot take any images or videos. So this one is a Canon lens. Other accessories, one CD player is here, and last thing is that the camera itself. This is the camera. So this is my Canon 750D. So without any further delay, let's inside the battery over here. Without this I can show you what type of images they are giving, what type of clarity they are giving. Let's peel off the button. This is a user replaceable battery over here, and then I should put the lens over here. This is 18:55 lens which has been provided by the box only. You can put various types of lens over here, not 18:55. You can give so this one has a, here it has been menu button, info button, the camera, the AV mode, up, down button, right, left button, and right button. And here it will preview the images, and you can delete over from here. And the ISO button has been provided here. The camera shutter button, the off button, on button, and the video mode button. So let's start the camera now. Here the display, this is a touchscreen display. You can flip over here. You can turn the display over here. The menu button. There are various types of modes you can change over here. Whatever you want you can change from here also. So this is a camera. The focusing length is very nice. I am using around 20 days to 25 days I am using. So the focusing length is very nice. And this one has a The Canon EOS 750D has a classic Canon DSLR look with a chunky black body that mostly will only be able to set apart from the entry level. The Canon models by looking at the name badge. And the Canon 750D outer parts are a polycarbonate rather than a magnesium alloy, which is only found on rather more expensive models. But in this price segment, this Canon 750D is providing this. The imaging sensor is new too with a 24 megapixel resolution. There is also a new metering sensor that measures the brightness of the scene at 7560 points. So in this budget, these are giving the 7560 points over here. And the 750D subject tracking is far more responsive and accurate in live view mode also. So this is one of the most plus point in this price segment. And there is also has a Wi-Fi connection through which you can share the photos or any videos also, and you can transfer to NFC also. So this is a very plus point in this camera segment or in the budget segment. So without any further delay, let's see the images. Here you can put the mic also here over here. Here is a microphone port over here. Means you can. I have a Rode microphone. Here the pin I will inject over here. And then this port will be going in the inside. Means I have to put over here. So then I have to type this. So this is a microphone you can put over here. And this one is the HDMI port, HDMI out, and that one is a digital AV out port over here. Thanks for watching me. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. If there is any wrong from my side, please do let me in the comment box. Bye bye.